Starting your renovation journey, having trouble with your designers, staying up all night to solve problems on your own. Your dream home is now a problem you never intended to have. Introducing Almanac, an online project scheduler tool to assist you with the process of renovation. Activity rings to help you keep tabs and record schedule, progress, and deadlines. Keep track of your payment progress and make plans for the following step. Never miss a designer update again with Almanac's weekly site report tracking feature. You can communicate with your designer on Almanac and never miss a crucial occasion. You are now able to keep track of your renovation process anytime, anywhere. With Almanac, there will be no more uncertainty and frustration when it comes to renovation. Almanac, your online renovation tool. SIXiDES, because we know spaces.